What gun do you think of when you hear about a mass shooting? Guns like this come to mind: assault weapons. In the wake of the Sandy Hook massacre, Governor Cuomo passed the SAFE Act in New York. He said,
"It is about ending the unnecessary risk of high-capacity assault rifle."
The law expanded background checks and limited the number of bullets in a magazine. And those assault weapons, those were banned, sort of. Meet Alan Rice. He's the general manager of Bikers, a gun shop in Rochester. And for the past few months, they've been selling this modified gun.
They've taken the pistol grip off the bottom and converted it to the back.
So, in your opinion, is it pretty much the same gun?
It's the exact same gun, just makes it a little harder to hold on to.
Here are the parts for the modified gun, and here's the old one. Here's the new one, and the old one. New, old, new, old, new, old. This is Anthony Testa. He's the general manager at Just Right Carbines, where they put together these modified guns. He says it won't legally be an assault weapon.
Judges, sheriffs, state troopers, everybody looks at it and says, yeah, that looks like it'll pass. We haven't had one of them that's willing to put their name on the dotted line and say that it's not legal.
By April 15th, anyone who owns an assault weapon will have to register with the state. But anyone who has this modified gun, they probably won't have to register.
It's a feel-good law that makes people feel like they did something, but it doesn't change. By holding it a little bit differently in a different configuration, it doesn't change what comes out of the other end.
Okay, so why is it so hard to fully ban an assault weapon? Well, the problem is how to define an assault weapon.
The whole definition of assault rifle really doesn't make much sense. It's just a semi-automatic rifle that looks bad.
That's Professor James Jacobs. He wrote this book and teaches at NYU Law School.
I mean, maybe some people would say all semi-automatic rifles and pistols are bad. That would be practically all guns.
Banning almost all guns in America isn't happening anytime soon. So for now, the same exact gun that Adam Lanza used isn't legal. But with a few modifications, well, it sort of is.